Okay guys, my name is Indinata Sianggriani. Uh, Today I'm the presenter here, so I don't have breath right now. So who's gonna ask first?
Can you explain, can you tell me about foreign language?
Foreign language is a how, not how, is a the way we learn language in other country, in a country that the language is widely or rarely spoken, we learn we learn we learn Spanish in Indonesia, or we learn Indonesia in Spanish. uh,
Do you know the difference between second and foreign language?
uh, in my opinion, the difference is second language. We learn English in Indonesia. English is an international language, so it's used in Indonesia, but not all of us. Yeah, not all of us know, but what is it? Foreign language. Foreign language is we learn the language in a different country not not use the language. You
Can you tell me what is transfer?
uh
I don't know, let me.
no no transfers. Transfers is yeah. I don't know.
What is language acquisition?
Language what? Acquisition. Oh. Language acquisition is a natural way to learn language. It's a similar with children learn their first language.
Okay, thank you.
Can you tell me about the methods of teaching?
Method of teaching language, we have five. One is grammar translation method. Is a focuses on grammar and translation. Two is a direct method. It's a focus in communication. The third is a audiolingual method. It's focused on how we talk and we listen. Next we have, what is it? Communicative method. Method is how we learn in a real conversation. I just know four.
You know a lot. What made it like how much?
It's 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye bye.
No.
Yeah, it's four.
Wait for Hannah.
Thank you. Hello guys, my name is Indinata Sianggriani. Today I'm the presenter here. Who's gonna ask first?
Me.
You
Can you explain about interlanguage?
Interlanguage is blending the native language with blending the native language with our language, like translation, maybe that how we talk, pronunciation. We have pronunciation, right, in Indonesia and in Indonesian and English, so we have transfer the pronunciation English in a Indonesian pronunciation.
Can you explain second language acquisition?
Second language acquisition. Second language acquisition is a the process of learning language in a country that the language is not the process of learning language in a country that the language is not commonly used.
What do you know about language learning?
Language learning is a formal way to learn language. It's typically in the classroom. It focuses on explicit grammar or rules.
Can you tell me about transfer?
Okay, transfers.
Interlanguage.
Transfers. Transfers is how we combine our first language into our second language.
Tell me one method in learning language learning.
One method. This one.
This one.
Is a grammar translation method. It focuses on grammar rules and translation. 1 minute more. 1 minute more. 1 minute more.
No. Can you tell me about language acquisition? Second language acquisition.
Okay.
Language acquisition.
Language acquisition. Language acquisition. Language acquisition is a natural way that we learn language. It's similar to how children learn their first language. 30 seconds. 30 seconds again. 30 seconds.
How many languages do you use?
3. No, not 3. One is still learning English and my culture, hometown language and Indonesian language. Yeah. Okay. That's all for my presentation. Thank you, guys. Okay, hello guys. My name is Cindy Natasha Anggriani. Today I'm the presenter in your group. So who's gonna ask first?
Can you tell me about foreign language acquisition?
Foreign language acquisition. Foreign language acquisition is how we not the process we learn language in a country that the language is not used, like it's rarely used. Like we learn Spanish in Spanish in Indonesia, and we learn Indonesia in Spanish. What?
That's enough.
Okay. Can you explain to me on how the second language acquisition? Second language acquisition.
Second language acquisition. Second language acquisition. Second language acquisition is the process we learn the language in a country, but the country use the language, but not all of the not all of the in us. But not all of them use the language like English in Indonesia. English is an international language, so many people use English in Indonesia, but not all of them.
Okay, okay.
So it's second language.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, that's enough. Thank you.
What question to answer?
Please.
Actually, ada question.
Simple. Just the simple.
What kind of simple?
Indie simple, not the simple.
Okay, I want you to do some kind of like learning curve on teaching methods. Which one is the easiest and which one is the hardest?
Like in teaching methods.
Yeah.
The easiest is I think communicative teaching. Communicative teaching is the communicative teaching is how we learn in real communication. So it's going on just step by step. So in the hardest I think is a grammar and translation method, because it's strict, right? It focuses on grammar and translation. I think.
Okay. Is that are you satisfied?
Not satisfied.
Okay, thank you.
I'm not gonna satisfy you. No. Yeah. You go.
How many?
10.
9, 8, 7.
Not.
10 minutes?
It's done. Yeah, thank you. Okay, hello guys. My name is Indi Natasha Angriani. Today I'm the presenter here. So who's gonna ask first?
What do you got from reading the material? Your personal benefit?
My personal benefit. Oh,
That's why I asked.
my personal benefit. I don't get it. My what is it?
What do you get from learning this?
I got nothing. No.
It's my turn. Okay, her personal benefit.
So, I know what is the difference about foreign language and the second language. So the second language is how we learn language, but the language is commonly used in our country. No. It's a foreign language. For second language. Oh, is it right? Second language is is how we learn language in
Do you enjoy making the video?
no.
Alright, let's move to the next question. Please. Do you know what the difference between transfer and interlanguage? Different.
The difference.
Or you can say it as the definition.
Definition. The definition. The definition is a transfer is a how we combine the our first language into our second language. For the interlanguage is how we blending the native language into our. It's similar, maybe.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
What do you know about input and output?
In
Okay, if you don't know, just move to the next question.
yeah.
Yeah, what's the difference between language acquisition and foreign language acquisition. What's different?
The difference is second language is how we learn the language, but the language is commonly used in our country, and the foreign language we learn the language, but the language is widely spoken in our country. Like we learn Spanish in Indonesia.
What do you know about language learning and second language acquisition?
Language learning is the formal way we learn in a typically in a classroom. It focuses on explicit grammar and rules. For second language is how we learn the language in a country that the language widely spoken. The language. Yeah. It's full. Thank you. Okay, guys, my name is Indi Natasha Anggriani. So who's gonna ask first?
Can you explain about language transfer?
Language transfer is how we combine our first language into our second language, and that's it.
What about the positive and negative transfer?
I don't know. I don't know
You
that.
can continue to the other.
Can you explain about second language acquisition?
Second language acquisition is the process we learn language in the country that the language is commonly used. The language is not commonly used in the country. Foreign language acquisition is the process we learn language in the country that the language is not commonly used. So the example is we learn Spanish in Indonesia, and we learn Indonesia in Spanish.
What's the difference?
What? Yeah.
From this material?
What?
Through method from this material?
Three method of it of yeah. The first one is a grammar translation method. Grammar translation method is focused on grammar and translation. Two is a direct method. The direct method is it's a focus on communicative method. The three, we have audiolingual method. It focuses on our speaking and our listening. Yeah, it's 2 minutes. 1 minute left.
And which method do you think the best?
Communicative method, because it's a practice. It's focused on the real communication. So I think it takes step by step, right? Step by step. Communicate. 30 seconds. interlanguage is how we blending how blending the native blending the native into our first language. Yeah, it's yeah. 3, 1. Yeah, thank you guys.